us.
Let me see. Catch the label, catch the label, catch the label. Got it. Wait. You ready, Amy?
Yeah. All right, let's start recording.
That is a shot. That's a baby shot. Okay. I don't know if you tall enough for me. A shot and a jerk. Your hand heavy. That was a shot. Cream up in your mouth. You know how to do it. Wow, wide. Wide. That was small. That was small. And I was not about as small as the tip. Now, you want a shot or do you want what they had? Shot. You want a Jordana shot? Ooh. No, she want a regular shot. Okay. No man. Oh, that. What was that? Hi, Nikki. Should Snapchat. Hello.
Alright guys, so I was heading back to shore. I think everyone was heading back to shore. Yep, there they are. We all went to get refills on water, most importantly, and food. We got finger licking good chicken from KFC. Jada is literally Nikisha. I don't know what the hell. Anyway, we stayed there until sunset. We had a really good time. It's just, I love bonding time with my friends. I just love them so much. They just bring such good vibes always.
Tried to see it. You the drink police or what? Alright, mom. Wait, we gotta turn to the sunlight because we blocked. We never made it no further. We came in, but we never made it no further than here. Like, we're still in the water.
Sleep with the security guard. Sleep with the security guard.
Yeah, drive with security.
So no man she want. So no man not eat salt. What is in there? Sometimes I get upset and close my teeth, but I still ain't got my peace. Where they go?
Alright guys, so I just finished up my hair and I'm at Hampton by Hilton. We're staying here for the long weekend for the Caymas Parade. As you guys can see, it's a double duplex room. I am going to be jumping with wristband, one of the biggest bands on island. This is my costume. You guys get a sneak peek of it, and of course I have my Carnivalista on board with me as well. Can't live without him. We stopped off at Black Bears to get some water, ice, and something to kind of, you know, lift our spirits. Yes, truly, that is my drink of choice. Will always be my drink of choice. I've stopped drinking hard liquor like that, so. to go to Hard Fete. This is the first event I've been to since Carnival has started, or the week has started, so I'm going to Hard Fete. This is my outfit, top by J-Lux. Their linen top, and then their bottom, also J-Lux. But yeah, going there, I think the event started at like 8, excuse me, and it finishes at like 1. So that's where I'll be tonight. And then tomorrow, I have to get up really early at 5 a.m. to go in, get my makeup done. Then I have to go get my makeup done. Apologies for the noise in the background. Alright guys, sorry for the beeping in the background, but I just left my second destination for the night, which was Bananas nightclub. I'm here to let you know that the night was very eventful, and yeah, I am looking forward to the parade tomorrow. And I had to stop myself there, guys, but it's actually the day of the parade. I don't know why I said tomorrow, because the parade is actually like in a couple of hours, and this is the part where your girl only got 2 hours of sleep. Did I regret it? Maybe. Would I do it all over again? Yes, I would. I'm getting my makeup done at like 6 a.m. The least of my problems right now. Yeah. Alright guys, so I made it to my makeup appointment, 6 a.m. My girl Jalea, the only one that ever touches my face. Hit her up, guys. She just moved to Atlanta. If you're in the Atlanta area, she will not disappoint. I love her. She is like the best, and she has the sweetest personality ever. But she is the one that slayed this face for my Caymas parade, and she nailed it. Like, I don't know, I'd be looking crazy when she'd be doing my makeup, but I absolutely love the outcome when she's finished with it. She's also the only one that can make me wear lashes without them feeling heavy on my eyes. I don't know what magic she does, but I'm here for it. And here's the final look. Very simple beat, so me, nothing too extra. As my cousin, also getting her makeup done. This is her first time getting her makeup done by Jalea. And let me tell you, our face stayed on for the whole entire parade. We did sweat a lot, but our faces stayed on. Hey guys, so it's Carnival Day. I got my makeup done at like 6 a.m. this morning. As you guys can see, like a little bit of the oil is like seeping through, but my face is still matte. But shout out to Jalea, my favorite makeup artist. She always comes through. She's the best. Okay. I don't trust anyone else to do my face other than her at this point in time, or this like special occasions like this. So shout out to her. I always go for like a natural beatish look. So yeah, she's the only one that can really get me to. She's like the only one that can really get me to wear lashes, and she puts them on so nice that like I'm used to them now whenever I get my face done. I would really love to learn how to put them on, but you know, that's not happening. But I'm gonna get dressed soon and show you guys my full costume. Today is parade day, as I said. I'm ready to get out on these roads and take you guys along with me for this carnival experience. last night was an absolute joy. It was a movie, and it is one to look forward to, one that I was looking forward to. And yeah, your girl drank Ray and Nephew all last night. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking, but I stuck with that liquor last night, and that's it. We ended up, sorry guys for the lighting, the sun just hid behind a cloud, but yeah, so we picked up a case of Truly to pre-drink with today. So yeah, anyway guys, I'm gonna go and take a quick nap. I've only got 2.5 hours of sleep. Before I even got up to get my makeup done, we went downstairs and ate breakfast at the hotel. So yeah, I will see you guys in a bit after I nap. Toodles! Alright guys, so my costume was Eclipse. Yes, I was a red jewel goddess on the road. As you guys can see, our truck was like literally decked out. They had like this freeze spray. They had like fans. They were well prepared for the heat, and I appreciated that. Alright guys, so we made it to the famous bridge that has literally no signal under it, so all the trucks just turn off their signal, or radios or whatever, music, and we all just, we do a little bit of karaoke under the bridge. But it was a good time. It was really, really hot, but it was loads of fun. Definitely would do it again. This was the aftermath. They had like a concert. I think this was, I don't even remember this guy's name, but I listened to all of his soca songs and I absolutely love him. He was very, very hype. The night was amazing, and honestly, this experience was one for the books. This was my second time jumping, the first time in costume. Yeah, so it was really, really good. Alright, this was the next day. We decided to chill by the pool and just take it easy on our last day at the hotel. This day was amazing. We stayed at Hampton by Hilton for the whole long weekend, and yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the vlog.